welcome back to Gritty Potato. So today I'll be unboxing some items I got from Ugly Food. So what Ugly Food does is they will rescue these so-called ugly food. They are not sold in the supermarkets because of their unnatural or less pretty outlook, and they are not being sold to the usual consumers. They have set up this store that actually rescues this food, and then now it's available for us to purchase online. So I have bought 3 sets from Ugly Food. The first set is called Acai Madness. It's a acai pinned with some fruits and toppings available, and it costs $18. So what I got next is the pesticide-free set, which contains 9 items, and it costs $25. To try out and see what is included in the mystery set, I got the mystery mini bundle that is said to have 3 to 4 items that cost $10. So I spent a total of $55.90 for this set, and it includes $2 delivery charge. So yeah, let's look forward to unboxing this. But first, let me take out the acai pin that I've left inside the fridge. So this is how the frozen acai looks like, and there you go. That's how it looks like. So looking forward to having this yummy ice cream. So let me chuck this inside the freezer before I continue. Okay, let's do the unboxing now. This box is fully filled to the brim. So let's see what I have here. For starters, I think these are the toppings that comes with the acai. We have some cashew nuts, Brazilian nuts. We also have some chia seed and almond. So let's see what else I have here. I have this yao bai cai and organic purple onion. So right now I'm not sure which are the items that are from the mystery bundle and which are from the pesticide-free bundle. I don't think they've mentioned anything over here, so I'll just have to see what's inside. And I have some, I think what is this? It looks like spinach to me. So actually they are not very ugly in my point of view, just some maybe a bit yellowish branches. But I think I can just easily remove them and cook the rest. And what else? There's a lot of veggie actually. And yeah, I think this is the Chinese spinach. Actually, right, there's a lot of food in my fridge currently, so I'm actually pretty scared of repacking the fridge and fitting them all in. And this is the, looks like lettuce to me. Actually, I'm not very good at naming the vegetables, so please correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, this one, it kind of looks like the vegetable that I don't like to eat. Oh no, oh no. And I have broccolini. This is interesting. I've never cooked this before, so yeah, quite interesting. Then I have beetroot. And another one in, whoa. What is this veggie? Can anybody tell me what is this veggie? It's so huge. I think I'll just stir fry them since I don't even know what they are. And I think, yeah, stir fry cannot go wrong. Then I have tomato. This is a huge tomato. I've never seen such a huge tomato before. Yeah, and I'm quite weird in the sense that I don't eat tomato as it is, but I actually love tomato soup and pasta. So I think I'm gonna cook, probably gonna try cooking tomato soup or pasta with these two items. And I'm not even sure what is this. I think I'll need to Google later. Anybody knows what this is? I seriously have no idea. It looks like cucumber, just that it's a very fat one. I don't know. These two I know very easy. These are Japanese cucumber, and I think I'm definitely going to use them as the preserved cucumber. Next, what is this? Oh my god, this is like testing my veggie identification level, which is very low. What is this? Is this a fruit or is this a zucchini? Is this like a baby zucchini? I think so. This one banana, yeah, very simple. So I think I'm left with fruits over here. Oh, I have some mushrooms. So another weird thing about me, right? I can eat majority of the mushrooms that does not have any taste or smell to it, but I cannot take this type of shiitake look-alike mushroom and shiitake smelling mushroom. So I'm not very sure that I'm not very sure if I'll enjoy eating this, but yeah, I'm just going to try cooking it also. And next I have an apple. So honestly speaking, from all the items that I've seen just now, it doesn't seem like any of the items are super ugly, super weird or super uncommon. It just looks like some of them are maybe a bit wilted. Then yeah, that's all. Then I have blueberries over here, but yeah, I think blueberries are looking quite bad. I saw some of the farm in English, some of the rotten one below, so I think I can only save the ones on top which are not looking that bad, but these are actually organic. And next what I have is, I think it's tomato packed inside the kiwi box. This is tomato, right? I think these are tomato. I don't know. I need to Google. Oh no. Now I'm a bit afraid that my noob cooking skill level cannot handle all of the items over here. And then finally I have some grapes and persimmon. That's all. This is everything I have. It's empty now. So yeah, I think I'll try to count how many items I have, and then to see whether I got more items than what I paid for or not. So I have some fruits. I guess the fruits and the toppings are from the acai box. Then the rest are like, no idea. I'm quite overwhelmed by the amount of veggies I have over here, and some I cannot even identify. So veggie. This thing is so interesting. It's not a pumpkin. It's not a, I don't know. It really looks like cucumber, but I don't know why is it in this shape. This is quite interesting and cute actually. Move this away. Veggie, onion, tomato. I have no idea. Zucchini. So how many items count? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19. 19. So my set was supposed to have 9 items. The pesticide free set, I'm supposed to have 9 items. So I guess it's this. Actually, I think I don't want to guess. I can't guess correctly. So yeah, this is my full table of veggie that I'm going to cook in the next few days. So if you are interested, keep watching. Okay, I'm going to try my best to cook with my very lousy skill, and then hopefully I don't poison my husband in the meantime with my bad cooking skill.
Thumbs up, man.
Probably nothing to do with the state of this vegetable, it's just my problem. So yeah, stay tuned.